Okay guys, okay, ladies or gentlemen, okay, for you to be able to write this simple program, right, you really need to know what an even number is. Since an even number is any number which is divided by what? By 2, which is divisible by 2 and leaving a remainder 0. That's all we need, and we can just write it in within few minutes, just like this. So I should have written this part of the code long before starting, but okay. So we include this header file, then we okay, let's do. Okay, let me just do it faster. Then we put a return 0. Okay, what is it with that which we need, right? Okay, so it's like this, even number. So we need a number, right? Okay, so which we'll check, but this we want to print, so it's like this. Okay, so it's like, okay, it's like this. If what? If number, right, is divisible by what? 2 and is equal to 0, then print to the screen that yay, okay, I'm an even number. Yes, me. Okay, just like that. But now this piece of code which you've written, right, is kind of like it just check when a user inputs a number. Just like this function is just for checking if this is an even number, but now we want to have a looping function which we be like using. So for okay, int I, right, okay, int I is equal to what? To, let's assign a value of 1, because that's our starting point. So until we reach 20, so that means I is less than or equal to, we can't say equal to, which is less than or equal to 20. That means it's going to start from 1 up to what? 20, just like that. Then we're going to say okay, I plus plus, meaning I is the value of I is going to increment plus 1. That means the value of I currently is on 1, so it's going to say 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Then it's going to say 2 on the next round is going to 2 plus 1 is going to 3. So now if you put our piece of code here, whenever this for loop runs, right, it's going to check, okay, right, is the number here what? Is the number here what? An even number. But now since we used I, so we're going to remove all this num. Okay, we're going to put I. We're dealing with I because that's the values which you have given to the program. That means this part of code is useless. So now let's just compile and run our program. So first of all, by saving, okay, even numbers, right, and click save. Then it's going to check if there is any error. If it finds an error, it's going to point it out. Hey dude, you have an error, fix something here. So what is the error here, right? Let's look at it. So okay, I said return 0. No, I should have said return 0. I said just return. Okay, let's see now. So we're going to list 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 20. So guys, this is how you just write a program which will just display even numbers to the screen between 1 and 20. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, useful for you, please click the like button, yes, like button, or subscribe. That will, yeah, whatever, make you pass. Yeah, jokes aside.